The power of these stump-pulling machines is undeniable. Their arms move like giant tentacles, lifting stubborn stumps with roots that dig deep into the earth. With precision and force, they shake the soil clean off the roots. Simply fascinating. In the expansive forests of Sweden, the Hipro 755 HB harvester, fitted with the innovative Hipro FG 45 clamp, effortlessly cuts through trees as thick as 45 centimeters. Even those tricky trees with sprawling roots are no match. Watching this machine in action is like witnessing a gentle touch healing the forest. Wow, the Friesa Tornado stump grinder has these incredible multi-directional blades that seem to cut through the stump effortlessly. In a blink, it's all wood chips. Kind to really talk. And did you notice the stabilizer legs? Those things make sure it stays steady even when moving. OMG, is this the legendary giant cedar? Look at that lumberjack. He looks so tiny next to that massive trunk. He's fighting tooth and nail with that saw, battling the beast of a tree. Behold the mighty root-grabbing machine, like a colossal trident rising from the depths of the ocean. Watch it swiftly tear through tree stumps, turning the once difficult task of stump removal into child's play. Truly, this is a marvel of stump-destroying power. Why struggle with axes and endless hours of chopping when you can witness the raw power of the stump splitter? In just minutes, under intense pressure, even the toughest, most stubborn stump is shattered into pieces with blazing speed. Harvesting timber in the snow is the ultimate test of both man and machine's skill and endurance. But the Ecolog 560E harvester, with its beastly 320 horsepower engine, doesn't break a sweat. This powerhouse dominates any terrain with ease. And as for the operator, they face a challenge like no other, where razor-sharp focus is the key to gliding smoothly over the thick snow. Oh my goodness, look at that colossal 100-inch oak stump. But don't let its size fool you. The Vermeer SC 30TX is here to have some fun. With its 25 horsepower Kohler engine, munching away at the stump like a kid with a giant cookie. Think it could handle more? The skid steer digs into the forest floor, uprooting tree stumps and moving dirt. It's a straightforward process. Scoop, lift, and dump. No frills, just raw power and functionality in action. Have you seen the Dipper Fox SC850 Pro in action? This incredible machine can tackle even the most challenging stumps with ease. Its giant stump grinder makes stump removal look effortless. Isn't that exciting? This advanced excavator, featuring a precision-engineered screw shaft, efficiently converts large tree stumps into firewood. It's an innovative solution for large-scale land clearing, optimizing both time and resources. Peeling bark is the essential first step before wood processing, ensuring superior quality. Under the relentless force of the debarking machine, the ugly exterior is stripped away, revealing a clean, smooth log ready for transformation. Deutz-Fahr Agro Plus 70, despite its compact size, showcased exceptional pulling capacity on the challenging mountainous terrain. Handling large logs with remarkable efficiency, this machine exceeded my expectations. A surprising battle unfolds. A huge tree root deeply planted against a small tractor. You wonder, can the tractor handle it? In a twist, the root gives in to the tractor's persistence. Victory to the machine.
And loaded on the trailer this morning. We're headed for the dump. It fractured along its natural crotch.
Pulling out tree stumps with a high lift in tight spaces is an art. When machinery can't get close, this method shines. It's a quick process that requires minimal effort when digging by hand. In a colossal wood chip mill, a powerful excavator energetically scoops up massive buckets of wood chips into a waiting truck. But do you know what these wood chips are for? In a whirlwind of power, the Comtech Crambo shreds the gnarled tree stumps. Just like a shark, its teeth bite into the dry wood, breaking it down into little pieces. What an incredible sight!